This is greater universe, and in this greater universe, sun is somewhere and earth is one of ninth planet of it, and it is in motion. It is moving around the sun. It is itself is moving, and its crust is also moving. So danger is there all the time. It produces earthquake, and among them all types of disaster. It is standing still with cloud, with trees, and these trees giving us oxygen, ample of oxygen, life. But what we are doing? We are destroying it day after day. Human being exploiting it, the surface of the earth, plants, which giving us oxygen, and we are burning it. What we are burning? Burning carbon oxygen. So again we are continuously burning various types of fossil fuel and producing maximum quantity of toxic gases. And so you see, these nations are most polluted nowadays, and also we found coronavirus is also there more. So can we think in this condition our earth is totally safe? No. Very big elephants gone. We have very thin layer of atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and ozonosphere, exosphere. It has very great role for life, giving us oxygen, producing carbon dioxide. So we are in dangerous condition. Therefore, the content of atmospheric elements some are diminishing, some are increasing. So pollution is increasing now. Due to that, various types of diseases are coming. Plants are affected, and its main cause, extraordinary growth of population. And days are coming when we are to wear masks. Environment is hazardous. So the various virus will attack us. Sometime the human being will fall in danger. A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicate only inside the living cells of an organism. Virus can infect all types of life forms, from animal and plants to microorganisms, including bacteria. More than 6,000 virus species have been described in detail. Of the millions of types of various in the environment, among them COVID-19 one of them. When infected, a host cell is forced to rapidly produce thousands of identical copies of the original virus. The shape of these virus particles are complex structure. Most virus species have too small shape to be seen with an optical microscope, as they are 1/100th of size of most bacteria. Bacteria, a type of biological cell, they constitute a few micrometers in length. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from spheres to rod and spiral. Bacteria were among the first life forms to appear on Earth and are present in most of its habitats. Bacteria inhabited soil, water, acidic hot springs, radioactive waste, and the deep biosphere of the Earth's crust. Nearly all animal life is dependent on bacteria for survival, as only bacteria and some archaea possesses the genes and enzyme necessary to synthesize vitamin B12 and provide it through the food chain. There are typically 40 million bacteria cells in the gram of soil and a million bacteria cells in a million of fresh water. The nutrient cycle includes the decomposition of dead bodies. Bacteria are responsible for the perfection stage in this process. Bacteria provide the nutrients needed to sustain life by converting dissolved compounds such as hydrogen, sulfide, and methane to energy. I am talking about virus and bacteria first, about talking on coronavirus. But we all of us should know how bacteria and virus are spreading on this earth surface. Therefore, bacteria and virus are the responsible for any disease of man, animal, and plants. In tropical, subtropical, and temperate regions, they are very active, spread faster rate, and this character depends on amount of humidity, temperature, pressure of air, and sunlight. And the air exists on this earth. the host body, if convenient for survival of one particle virus or a bacteria, then man become victim of it. You should know you are to be strong enough. If not, then the bacteria or virus will be active in your body. And if you are strong enough, they cannot stay in your body or in your blood. Therefore, in this case, in coronavirus, throughout the world, in Second World War, we are not in this way thinking each corner of the world. But this situation is very different. 100 years back, Spanish flu was in some countries, not throughout the world. And various diseases are there. Therefore, make your body non-convenient for virus or bacteria. That is, your body be resistant to virus and bacteria means immunization. We are talking about immunization. We are to take this thing, that thing. We are to eat this thing, that thing, this leaf, that leaf, and that juice, this juice. We are talking about, but we are to make our body, our cells, our limbs, our muscle very strong, so that these virus in no circumstances can enter in your body. So immunization is essential. On the other hand, you are to cut or obstruct the path of entry from one body to other, that is social distance. As for COVID-19 is concerned, communication only by man to man. Therefore, stop human functioning zones, which we call lockdown. In case of Spanish flu, it was from animal to man, but in case of this coronavirus, man can go from one person to other, not through air. It means stop functioning zones like market, any institution, industries, or any gathering. Stop all these type of gathering. This is lockdown. You strictly follow. This maintaining of lockdown is your doctor. So, another thing, in case of measles, smallpox, etc., we are talking in many cases, this virus or bacteria can enter through mouth, through eyes, through nostril. So, you protect this part. Therefore, you cover your mouth. cover your eyes, nostril. So this is called mux. Another very important thing is that stop killing, stop moving of these virus and bacteria everywhere. How? Kill virus and bacteria first. How? We have no medicine. We have no vaccination. Then how it is possible? Yes, we have. Already we have some type of toxic medicine. What? These are pesticide, herbicide, insecticides. First you spread this thing so that they cannot spread everywhere. So it is called sanitization. So you can use sanitization and this sanitization help you. Further, I do express my hearty love to thousands day laborers coming every day from their working place to their home and taking ample of toil, ample of pain, because they are separated from their home, from their wife, children, and father and mother. On the other hand, they have no earning system. Of course, they are taking pain for it, but that is also not enough. That is also not enough because life is very important. Next point is each virus and bacteria, they have their periodic time. Especially I mentioned few minutes ago that the virus and bacteria spread more faster rate in the area where water molecule is there, temperature is not enough, particular pressure is there, hot and humid climate. Therefore, temperate region, subtropical region, tropical region is very important place for them. And for this, here it is spreading like anything. But you don't think it will spread, it will live continuously in one place, because temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc., these weather condition, these climatic condition everywhere not remain same. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere completely different. So, I do believe it will not continue in northern hemisphere after middle part of June. Its strength will reduce. Definitely it will reduce. And be careful. If you not help them, if you not callous enough, if you not use more your AC set, if you be clean, if you be dry enough, then it will reduce in the month of July and August. Because another time will come, another bacteria, virus will come during that period. During that period, different type of insects will come. So, these virus or any other bacteria during this period will not spread here. So, in case of coronavirus, will climb in top position June 20, I do believe. After that it will diminish. My point is, as we are in hot and humid climate, regularly taking black tea due to malaria prone area in this part, particularly Assam, Kerala, etc. So we are taking some types of drinks, and due to that it will not continue many time, months after months. So on the other hand, our people are agrarian, mostly agrarian. They work hard in their meadows. So they stay in water sometime, in sunlight sometime, and bathing in rain water. So I do think they have more immune capacity, so coronavirus not affect them more. And on the other hand, in this part, India, maximum people already has taken vaccination. Various types of vaccination is in their body. So this coronavirus will not affect more them. My dear friends, you know, as I am a man of disaster management, I must say each and every disaster teach us something new things which always improve our life better to more better and prosperous, which you all will be success and will defeat the invisible virus, the COVID-19. On the other hand, I told you, one thing teach, and teaching of different type of teaching is there. This time coronavirus teach all over world, the population of America very, very powerful. They think, even their president also. Russia, UK, Italy, Germany, Spain, and so countries are there. Those who are very, very strong country, I should say, medically, educationally, in all sense, they are strong enough. But in this time, they could not control the coronavirus because they already learn many things. Of course, they learn many things of this universe, but they use this universe, they use this art as much they can, and therefore the tolerance of our earth surface is already end, you can say. So what happened? You know, in some time temperature is increasing, sometime decreasing. If you go through geological period of time, you will find various types of climates was in very past, in geological period, millions of years ago also. And in this very small, this recent time, that is in, I'm not talking about Carboniferous period, I'm talking about this present situation. We are using this earth surface, we are felling trees, we are making our surface of the earth very hot, some area very hot, some area very cool, oxygen diminishing, and carbon dioxide increasing, carbon monoxide increasing, sulfur is increasing. So without thinking, we are using our environment. Due to this lockdown throughout the world, I think it's the first time in the history of Earth's surface this type of stop burning of fossil fuel, burning of various things, various toxic minerals, we stop. No sound is there. So carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, the carbon cycle to some extent reduce. You can say some are claiming that 30% to 40%, 45% clearing the earth's surface. Okay, maybe oxygen may increase, carbon dioxide may decrease, whatever it may be, but our earth, our plants, animals get some time, some relief. They are very happy now. So our earth get some time for it, and it is a very good opportunity of coronavirus. And the cost of life, thousands, lakhs of people has taken various type of pain for it. And what? The rich people exploit this earth surface, and they have taken, the poor has taken lots of pain, and some lost their service also. So I think this type of lockdown should continue even after this lockdown due to coronavirus. We should learn, we should give some time to this earth surface, this nature, this environment. We should work 5 days, we should take rest 2 days, we should stop all types of burning industries, and so that we will not torture much our earth surface. And this should continue. We should learn cleanliness and various types of precaution from disease. We should learn about character of virus, character of bacteria, and above all, the environmental rules and regulation. We should not think the environment, the air, water is the free gift of us. No, For that also we are to pay cost, which this time the coronavirus teach us. You are to pay lot of money. We had debit, we are making it credit now. So my people, my students, my loving people of the earth, I suggest you be cautious enough for your environment. You love your environment. It will love you. Thank you.